This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2018 in Bel Air, California. With me right now is Steve Cooper from OSS. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is OSS on the NASDAQ. Steve, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you.
It's great to have you on. So, for our audience, let's get an overview of the company.
One Stop Systems, or OSS, is a high-performance computing company. We make high-end hardware, usually customized for specific applications.
And let's get a history of the company. When did it start, and how did you develop to where you're currently at today?
Myself and my partner co-founded the company 19 years ago, so we've been in business quite a while. It evolved and went through a few recessions, but we really had our breakout about 4 years ago, where we focused on high-end GPU computing and high-end flash storage arrays for customized applications, and that's resulted in tremendous growth.
So let's talk about that a little bit. What makes your technology unique in the marketplace?
We have a big engineering content in all of our products, and we're really pushing the state-of-the-art in performance and capacity for flash arrays and GPU computing, the types of products we make. I think that's the real differentiator, is that engineering capability. We also have a willingness to customize our products for specific applications, whether that's a mobile application that needs extra ruggedness to a full mil-spec products, which is an expanding market for us.
And who's your target market, and also what is the market size of that target market?
We're fairly horizontal with our technology, meaning we can sell to a lot of different application types. Our largest market segments are in the media and entertainment space, where they're using a lot of high-end computing. Also, the military space is becoming a larger market, running about 30 to 35% of our total.
And what's the competitive landscape look like? Is there a lot of competition out there for these different verticals?
A lot of competition in high-end computing in general, but we take that and do a little spin on it because we're doing customized versions for specific applications. So we compete originally, but then once we've designed a custom variation of something, we're really a locked-in sole source provider for usually a number of years. In the commercial space, that might be 5 to 7 years. In the military space, that could be as long as 10, 15 years of ongoing sales. So it's a little bit like a software as a service model, but for hardware products.
So you would say that's also your advantage then when you're going out to these target customers?
Yes, absolutely. We specialize in doing customization. We're known for that, and we like to do it. So if you went to one of the big computer companies, an IBM, HP, Dell, they're probably not going to do a customization, certainly if it was a smaller application, whereas we not only do it, we like to do that. And so the attitude, the positiveness really, really appeals to our customer base.
And what's your background? How did you get into all this?
I'm an electrical engineer by degree and started with Intel for 10 years, so very technology-oriented all my career. I just love technology. I love the treadmill concept of technology turns over so fast. It makes business exciting. And being a technical architect is who I kind of think of myself, as well as the CEO of a rapidly growing company. It's just an exciting industry to participate in.
And from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's growth drivers moving forward?
The big growth drivers are existing OEM and military programs that we've won, and we've designed custom products that are just now going in production. We've got a couple of those really helping accelerate our growth. We're growing at about 35 to 45% year over year this year, and that's driven mostly by these big OEMs going into production. In addition, we have a merger and acquisition component, particularly now that we've gone public. We have cash and liquid stock and the aura effect of being a public company that is really helping us drive M&A.
And for those who don't know, what does OSS stand for?
It stands for One Stop Systems. Originally, when we first came up with the business model, we were thinking we'd be more of a complete provider of almost like a distributor, and that got us started, but today we really go by OSS.
And where can our audience go and find more information about OSS?
Certainly our website is the best place at onestopsystems.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2018 in Bel Air, California. With me again is Steve Cooper from OSS, publicly traded company, the symbol OSS on the NASDAQ. Steve, thank you very much for joining me today.
Thank you very much.